Welcome to this week's episode of Kuyon Adventures. This week, the boys, special guest, and I take on a Tabasco factory tour. Tabasco was founded in 1868 on Avery Island, just 30 minutes outside of Lafayette, Louisiana. Today, Tabasco hot pepper sauce is sold in over 195 countries and territories, making them the most famous pepper sauce in the world. Tabasco is a word from Mexican Indian origin, believed to mean place where the soil is humid or place of the coral or oyster shell. This tour will show us all the steps used to bring this tasty sauce to life with only 3 ingredients: distilled vinegar, salt, and of course hot peppers.
Maybe they didn't have scissors back then.
Look, I got. Look, I got.
Who knows? But we don't have all your stuff. You just gotta live with that. Look, you want a camera? Okay, you wanna turn it on? See it? Watch, I'm supposed to record. Okay, go make some video. What did you find? Let me see. What did you find? Tabasco camera. What did you find?
Pipe.
Some pipes? I think that's inside the factory.
Oh.
Are you gonna go inside the factory?
After checking out the museum, the tour continues outside with some cool history and art pieces. We have one more stop at the bamboo forest before we learn how the sauce is made.
What you think, Parker? Parker approved. Shake it, oh.
Come on. Don't break it.
Here, we are in a greenhouse where they are growing some pepper plants. Some of these plants are experimental.
We are gonna go into the Barrel Museum. Enter here.
Whoa.
All of that Tabasco.
All of these barrels were filled with what will become Tabasco sauce after 3 years of fermenting. This area had a very strong smell to it, and will not be the last area with this smell. Now, we are headed inside the plant. We'll get to see the mixing room and the bottling process.
Like,
We're gonna call you out right here
you
on
know when they,
camera.
like talk the whole time.
Yeah.
I'll go watch him. I didn't know. Tell me your name.
Parker didn't tell you about my videos?
Toby Avery.
No. That's Couillon Adventures. Check it out.
Look, Obi, you want this camera?
Subscribe.
Stand right here. Now, hit that part. There you go. Up and down, up and down.
Yeah, there you go. Work together.
You need help. You don't need no help.
After the mash has aged for 3 years, it is strained and placed into the 6,813 liter wooden vats. This is where the high quality distilled vinegar is added and stirred periodically over 30 days.
We're going.
Down.
Is that the island? I was gonna say this way, oh. Look, follow Aunt Steph, oh. This way. This way, we're going in the salt mine. Yeah.
Where they get the salt, I guess.
going.
What's that?
They're blasting the salt to get it out. Oh, going up.
Whoa, look
Just
what
keep going.
Look what
Don't matter.
Look at that.
Oh, they bottle in Tabasco.
Pretty cool.
What's going on right there, oh? Bottles produced today. Ah, over here, hen. Wait up.
Hey, let's put our Hot Wheel down here.
That's the only Hot Wheel we have, hen. You'll have to take turns.
Whoa, look at those. My turn. Henry's turn now.
Henry's turn? Okay, go run it down, hen.
Go, Hot Wheel. Whoa.
Oh, crash.
He's not winning my turn.
Tabasco is a key part of Louisiana history, and they take pride in this as a fifth generation has taken over leadership of the sauce. Still to this day, they source all materials used within a 10-hour drive from Avery Island, a remarkable feat for a company over 150 years old. Thank you for tuning in this week. Next week, we'll show you our part 2 of our day. We explore the beautiful property of Jungle Gardens. See you next Sunday.